Well, new tonight at 5, a military veteran has filed a legal claim against the Idaho National Guard.
She's accusing them of assaulting her outside her home in D.C. Sarah Robinson spoke with this Guard member. She joins us now live with more on the new filing, the newly released video, and some allegations from the other side. So, Sarah, bring us up to date on all of this.
Well, I actually met with Anna King outside her home in D.C. today. She did not want to talk with me on camera, but she was wearing a cast on her arm, and it's clear that she's still recovering and says she's still recovering from this incident. The ACLU, on her behalf, filed this legal claim accusing 3 National Guard members of assaulting her outside of her home, leaving her with serious injuries. She is now seeking $3 million because of it. This Ring camera video provided by the ACLU starts by showing King sitting on her front porch on New York Avenue. Then it cuts to 3 National Guard members standing there, and you can hear her arguing with them.
You have absolutely no authority to detain me.
The video appears to stop in the middle. We don't know how much of this interaction was cut leading up to the altercation, but the claim says these guardsmen walked up to her and said they were detaining her, but didn't show a warrant or explain why she was being detained. We do hear her yell at the guardsmen not to touch her and to get off her property. The claim, under the Federal Tort Claims Act, says they grabbed her and shoved her face down onto the concrete, handcuffed her tightly, and squatted on her for about 8 minutes until MPD arrived to assist.
This has been a traumatic incident for Ms. King. Physically traumatic because the handcuffs the guards placed on her were so tight that they cut into her ligaments and required surgery.
The National Guard said they were detaining King for her alleged role in a May 6th incident, in which they accused her of pouring a liquid on 3 guardsmen, soaking their uniforms. Court documents say all 3 guardsmen identified King as the person they believed was responsible. No criminal charges have been filed for the alleged liquid incident on May 6th. But police documents say she was charged with assaulting 2 guardsmen during this altercation on her front porch 2 days later.
The fact that they haven't here for the May 6th incident speaks volumes about what really occurred that day.
The ACLU says King was targeted for her vocal opposition to the National Guard being in D.C.
We see no other reason for the guards to have targeted Ms. King besides her speech, her criticism, her exercise of her rights.
Outside King's home, banners criticizing the National Guard remain displayed. The ACLU attorney, Michael Perloff, told me the Ring camera video provided by King is complete and unedited. He says the only jump cut occurred because the Ring camera briefly stopped recording, which he believes was due to its motion detection settings.
No, I'm not. You have absolutely no authority to detain me.
King's next court date is scheduled for August 11th. Of course, we will be updated and keep you at home updated on both the criminal case unfolding and the civil case as well. Back to you.
Wow. Okay. All right.